Hello guys, Hatam for projection back again with the news as we always never promise. Today we talk about this Viber Max, Nike Viber Max 2019. I will tell you things that you can figure the fake from the original. First of all, if whatever high copy it is, you will figure it, okay? But I'm gonna tell you about a couple of things. Number one, we'll start with the box. Look the box, how material, the material for the box is nice, okay? The fake one has bad kind of material for box. You will find the box have cracks, you know, broken, and the material for box is fucked up, you got me? And so tight, not so like this. See, here the boxes are tough, look. The box here are tough. In the fake one, the boxes are weak, okay? This is what, number one. You have to focus about box. But if you bought it from eBay, you don't have box, so I don't know what to tell you. Number two, Air Viber Max 2019, in the fake one, you find it stick with each other. Air with Viber, and 2019, it's not accuracy like here, you got me? This is number two. Number three, I'm gonna tell you something. Look, from down, actually, it's all these, as they said to me in chat with Nike store, she said for me, you see these lines down here? There's lines, black lines here. This like zebra. They say in the fake one, you will find that these lines appear more. I have a phone call, but I can't answer. Or guys, I have to answer phone call. Goodbye. So I'm telling you, in the fake one, you will find the lines here are appearing more than this. Okay. The finishing. Look here. This one is tough. In fake one, it will go down, so will not go up back again. Actually, finishing for this shoes is also crap. That's why. I don't know else. Actually, the finishing for this Air Max is completely crap. This is original one, and finishing sucks. Look, scotch here. It's like fake, you know. And also, I have issues here. Look, and this is original one. I have issues here, as I showed in my video before. Here, this one, I don't have Viber Max written on here or any shit. Finishing like fake. But this is original. I bought it from Nike store, guys. So anyway, try to focus about these things. Listen, guys, I'm telling you something from the end. My advice to you, you focus about box first and like this. Listen, original one, listen, my original one don't have any Nike writing from down. By the way, if you ask about this line, some shoes they have this line. Some shoes, the same one, don't have this line. You know why? For the adult, they have this line. For juniors, they don't have this line, which means small size. So don't focus about this one. But both of us, we don't have Nike symbol. By the way, they say that the Kobe one have spikes. And don't have the spikes. You got me? Can you see here? There is spikes, and there is here spikes. See, like spike drawing. They say that the fake one don't have. Okay. And also the material here, you will not find it shining in the fake one, or like this here is shining. I mean, beer is cost. Anyway, guys, I want to tell you something. My advice about this Viber Max, generally, buy it from store. If you want to buy it, and if you're dying about to buy any one of them, buy it from any store that's official, or buy it from Nike store. Because to be honest with you, I'm not gonna lie about you. If you will push for me fake one, it's may best on me. I mean, now I touch the original one. Now I see it in front of my eyes. Now you will not pass it on me. You will not push it to me. But if you will, for example, I never see this Viber Max, and you will send me high Kobe, and it's nice Kobe. It's hard to detect it, to be honest with you. Except, what about if he put it for you in original box? He took the fake one and he sell it for you in original box. How are you gonna do? I mean, my advice, don't buy it from in eBay. Yeah, I mean, if you are professional a little bit about Nike and you always wear it, you will figure. But big possibility that you will push it to you. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching. It's already trash again. I don't like this shit shoes. It's completely shame from Nike to create this Viber Max. It's not any quality at all. By the way, I got 2 kilos extra in my scale. So, guys, thanks for watching, and see you again in another video. And peace and love to everyone. Love you all. Put for me thumbs, or I will hit you all if you will not put for me thumbs. Okay, guys, bye, and see you again in another video.